Welcome to another Microsoft Windows tutorials. In this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite Windows tips and tricks that can equip you to work faster and also make you productive when using the computer system. And these tips and tricks will be a time saving to you as a computer user, whether you have a mouse connected to your computer system or not. These tips will help you to access your daily operations on the computer system without using the mouse. With much said, let's jump right in and perform this operation. The first tip is to open the Windows Action Center. If you are to use the mouse to access this task, you have to move the pointer to the bottom right corner on the taskbar and click on this button. And this is going to display the Action Center on your Windows interface. To access this, hold the Windows key and the letter A on the keyboard. And this opens the Action Center, which allows you to manage your notifications and also to access some updating information sent to your computer system. It also allows you to change your night light and also your airplane mode, your locations, and your mobile hotspot. You have other options, that is to clear all notifications, and this window provides you with notifications to your computer system that can help you to manage all these notifications. And this is the Action Center of the Windows interface, which was accessed by the Windows key and the letter A. The next step is to open the Show Hidden Icons. To access this with the mouse, you have to move the pointer to the taskbar and click on this top arrow. And this provides you with shortcut icons or hidden icons on the taskbar, and it can easily help you to access these icons. To access this icon without the mouse, hold the Windows key and the letter B on the keyboard. And you are going to see a selection around this icon. You can press the enter key to display these icons and use your arrow keys to select any of these icons and press the enter key to access it. So this Windows key and the letter B can help you to access your hidden icons on the taskbar. The next one is to open Cortana on your Windows interface. And to access this Cortana icon, you can use your mouse to select this circular icon here, which is known as the Cortana. And to access this with the Windows key, hold the Windows key and the letter C on the keyboard. And you are going to have your Cortana window open, and you can easily use this window to perform certain activities on your desktop by finding definitions and facts, and also opening apps on your local computer and also the web. The next one is to minimize all open apps on your Windows interface. If I have this folder opened, let me open 2 or more windows on the desktop. Now you can see I have 4 windows open on my Windows interface, and if I want to minimize all these windows, I have to use this minimize button to minimize all these windows onto my taskbar, and that is going to involve much time to minimize all these windows. So to access this in a simple click, we are going to use a simple keyboard shortcut to minimize all these applications open on our Windows interface. So the keyboard shortcut to this is the Windows key and the letter D. and this will minimize all applications on the desktop so that we can have a free space to work or have other operations perform on the interface of this computer. The next Windows tip is to open the File Explorer or the Windows Explorer on our Windows interface. And to access this, hold the Windows key and the letter E on the keyboard. And this opens the File Explorer or the Windows Explorer on our computer desktop. And this window allows us to access our files, folders, and applications on our computer system, and we can easily perform any operation within this window. So when you hold the Windows key and the letter E, it opens the File Explorer on the Windows interface. These are my 5 tips and tricks to share with you in this video, and this is the section 1 of this video. There will be a continuous section, and to have those future videos, please consider to give this video a like, comment, share, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload the future sections of this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.